Hello? Today I'll walk you through how to fix the Windows script host error related to the appdata/local/updates/run.db file. Let's start with step 1, which is opening the command prompt as an administrator. To do that, go ahead and open the search menu on your PC. Now type in CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt from User Account Control, just click Yes to continue. Moving on to step 2, let's repair Windows using DISM and SFC tools. First, in the command prompt window, type this command and press Enter. Now wait for the scan to finish. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Once that's done, you'll need to enter the second command. This will scan for any corrupted system files and fix them. When that's finished, go ahead and close the command prompt, then restart your computer to apply the repairs. And that's it. You've now completed all the steps to fix the Windows script host error linked to the run.db file. After running the scans and restarting your PC, things should return to normal and you shouldn't see the error anymore. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you solve the issue.